Greetings everybody, this is Costa with Pinnacle Store Restoration. Today I want to talk to you about the project we just completed in downtown Chicago, the building called Lake Point Tower. It's an amazing building. It has a certain significance to it because it's the only building that was built on the other side of Lakeshore Drive. So we are on the 37th floor right now. The unit has a beautiful white marble throughout the whole area. There was a lot of wear and tear on the tile itself, a lot of scratches, a lot of dullness, a lot of etching, etc. And also the grout joints, they were distressed, cracked, and dirty. Project like this, and this is Calcutta marble, is asking for an 8+ seamless system. And then every time there's an opportunity for us to recreate the stone, the regular tile, marble tile into seamless floor, that we will take it anytime. So this customer was thrilled by this idea, so we decided to make this floor seamless. So what it means, so we had to remove the existing grout, and we had to add insert into the grout joints the resin. This time we decided to use urethane resin, with the white background, almost like a semi-transparent, because as you know, this stone has a semi-transparent background, and then I wanted to use resin with a semi-transparent background as well. So when we process it with the diamonds, it will give you, like the visual of a seamless, like a slab pattern, where the grout joints and then the background of the stone, it blends in so well that it doesn't give you pattern of tiles, it gives you pattern of slab. This time we decided to keep it honed. Why? Because we got so much natural light coming in this apartment, and then if we had to go with the polish or a very high gloss finish, like glass-like appearance, it would bright up too much. As you know, as you see, there's a lot of white background. The walls are white, the floor is white, so natural light's coming. We got almost 360-degree view of beautiful Lake Michigan and then beautiful downtown Chicago architecture. When I'm looking at this floor, it has this beautiful, seamless appearance, and most importantly, what I like about hone finish is that it performs better. Why? Because when you hone the surface, you open up the pores, and more sealer can go in, and it really can protect the stone better versus polished stone. And also, I like when you hone the stone because it ages better. It develops patina over time, and that kind of makes a floor look great over time.
had to chase a lot of cracks, a lot of holes. We took care of all that yesterday. So right now we're just flying through the diamonds, you know. So we started with 100 grit today. We're finishing up 400 right now. My goal is to get at least to 800, you know, especially with the edges. So everything's looking good.
Very happy with the results. Now this floor has a structurally amazing structural ability because, as you know, seamless 8+ seamless system makes structural benefits, and then also it has the aesthetic benefits. So structurally it's way stronger because it's all been bonded with the resin, and then also aesthetically it looks seamless, it looks unbroken. Watch this video. We try to cover all the aspects of the 8+ seamless system. So if it generates any questions, please get back to me, and then I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. It's been a pleasure to have you as followers, and then I think over 1,800 followers that this YouTube channel has. They all appreciate natural stone and terrazzo, and also they really appreciate the, like the restoration work, refinishing work, and I always happy to share that with you. every time I have an opportunity like this. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching.